So this is how my hair had looked whenever I first started. It was like in these twists, and I had already put this Palmer's coconut hair milk smoothie in it, so it was already moisturized and stuff. And here I'm just gonna start taking it out. When I was done taking it out, I just took this metal fan pick and just started picking out the roots to hide the parts. I really wouldn't suggest doing this on like a fresh twist out because your hair is going to be really flat. It'd be better to do it on older hair, but this time my hair was looking, so I had to work with it. So here I'm just taking this headband that I had cut and retied so it would be smaller, and I put it around my neck, and then I'm just going to start pushing it up from around like my forehead and the nape of my neck. And then here I'm just like fluffing it out so it gets like a better shape because it was kind of spiky looking because it was in fresh twist. So for my edges, I'm going to use the yellow Gorilla Snot and the yellow Got to Be Glued. But first I'm just using the Gorilla Snot. I'm putting it on my edges and then I'm going to let it like get tacky and stuff before I grab the toothbrush and start, making my baby hairs. Here I'm just using this like purple scarf to wrap it until it dries down so they don't like frizz back up. And you can do whatever you want while you're waiting for your edges to dry. I just got sidetracked and started watching TV. When you do take it off, you want to take it off really slowly because this gel is sticky, and if you just rip it off, your scarf is going to take your edges with it. And then afterwards, I just kind of like refluff my puff because tying the scarf messed up the shape a little bit. I kind of missed the spot, so I'm just taking a little bit of the Got to Be Glued to kind of like fix the shape, I guess. So here I'm just taking some pieces from the front and like finger coiling them to define them and stuff, so they kind of like fall on my forehead and give it that messy look. This works even on a twist out, y'all. You just gotta like, you don't even need product or anything. You can just finger coil it, and that's basically the entire look. So that's it for my high puff slash baby hair tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up this video if you want to see more natural hair videos from me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one.